Hello everybody, welcome to my physics class. I am Karunakar sir. I am going to teach you physics chapter 2, which is measurement of density. Before discussing about measurement of density, first let us know what is density. Density is such a physical quantity which determines how much of mass is contained in a given volume of an object. It is defined as the mass per unit volume. So density is equal to mass by volume. If mass is measured in kilogram and volume is measured in meter cube, then the unit of density is kilogram by meter cube, and kilogram by meter cube is the SI unit of density. Its CGS unit is gram per centimeter cube. Now we discuss about measurement of density of irregular solids. What are irregular solids? Irregular solids are those solids which don't have fixed geometrical shapes. It is a such type of solid whose length of one of its sides are different length than the others. Examples of irregular solids are broken pieces of glass, broken pieces of stone, broken pieces of bricks, leaf, piece of stone, etc. Irregular solids have no easily measurable dimension, so it is quite difficult to measure the volume of an irregular solid. So it is also very difficult to measure the density of the irregular solid. So to measure the density of irregular solids, we use the following two methods. One is using Eureka can and another one is using measuring cylinder. We will discuss these two methods one by one. First we discuss about how to measure the density of an irregular solid using a Eureka can. So now let us discuss about Eureka can. Eureka can is a container with a spout positioned near the top. This is the Eureka can, and this is the top of the Eureka can, and at the top of the Eureka can a spout is there, and this can is filled with water up to the top of the Eureka can. Then a solid object is immersed in it. When the solid object is immersed in the water, it displaces some water. The water flows out of the spout and gets collected in the measuring cylinder. The volume of the water flows out through the spout, gives the volume of the object. So now let us perform an activity to measure the density of an irregular solid using Eureka can. To do so, we need a tripod stand, a measuring cylinder, a Eureka can, a physical balance, an irregular object such as stone, a stand, a clamp, tap water, a piece of thread. Procedure: first, fill the Eureka can with water to the extent that any more addition of water will result into water flowing out of the spout. Now place a measuring cylinder under the spout. This is the measuring cylinder. Now place this measuring cylinder under the spout to collect the water flows out through the spout of the Eureka can. Now take a physical balance to measure the mass of the irregular solid whose density is to be measured, and note down its mass. Now take a thread and tie the stone with it and immerse it into the Eureka can completely. After immersing it into the Eureka can completely, you will observe that some amount of water flows out of the Eureka can through the spout and gets collected in the measuring cylinder. And on the walls of the measuring cylinder, a scale is graduated. Now read the volume of the water collected in the measuring cylinder. The volume of the water collected in the measuring cylinder gives the volume of the stone. Now density of the given solid is, you know that density is equal to mass by volume. The formula to calculate the density is mass by volume. Now divide the mass by the volume, and this gives the density of the irregular solid. In the next video we discuss about how to measure the density of an irregular solid using measuring cylinder. Thank you.